Now, there's a number of different compounds found within the plant and found within the oils that are secreted by the plant. The main constituents that are of importance to consumers and to the public are the phytocannabinoids. Now, these phytocannabinoids include THC, CBD, CBG, and over 120 other different phytocannabinoids. And so we hear a lot about CBD and THC and their wonderful therapeutic applications, their wonderful benefits, but each of the 120 different phytocannabinoids in cannabis have their own unique properties and therapeutic uses. CBD and THC are just two of the over 500 different compounds that you can find within a cannabis plant. We've got terpenes in there, we've got flavonoids in there. Each of those compounds also has their own unique therapeutic properties too. Phytocannabinoids make up just a very small portion of cannabis. They are really the